my small tips, even in my city, in areas that I kind of know and live for more than 20 years, sometimes as a preparation, I'm telling myself, like, go to another store, to the new chain, to the new area, and in a big city like as Toronto, I can find these places. And actually, I feel like on the new territory because it's very multinational city, and I can go to the Indian store or another store, and even it's still Toronto, but it will be completely different environment, different brands, different people around, kind of in majority. And I'm telling myself, okay, there's exercise. It will help you to navigate. It's a small one, yes, comparing with all new environment you might find in different country, but it's kind of exercise to be prepared and oriented in a new environment, as you mentioned, supermarket.
Yeah, but that's it. It happens a step at a time. And I won't go on about it, but I often reference climbing Kilimanjaro was one of the most amazing things that I did. But the biggest lesson I took from this is how do you climb a mountain? You literally put one foot in front of the other, 2 inches at a time sometimes. Just one step, one step. You don't reach the goal in one go. And this is how we adapt to our new environment. It's all the little tiny things that add up. I also think you should do it immediately when you arrive because people tend to have a honeymoon phase. The first 2 or 3 months are really super exciting. You're like a child. You have this wonder and curiosity. And then sometimes a little bit of grief can hit for the life that you left behind, for the fact that you're just this, person like in the world on this map pin on the globe, and you can feel quite lost and alone. And if you use that first couple of months when you're on the high of the relocation to actually make some connections and start navigating your territory and start mapping, even for your brain, mapping those new territories, it kind of gives you something to fall back on when the doldrums strike, as they can do, and be prepared for that because that can happen to all of us.